All right, you were Earl.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Earl, you're charged with two cases. You're charged with racing on the highway. You're also charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. Sir, you are charged with racing on the highway, and
Yes,
that's
sir.
it. On the race,
6 months in jail and a $2,000 fine just for racing? Yep. Texas does not play around with street takeovers. Question for you, do you think these punishments are fair, or are they too harsh? Drop your take in the comments.
in case, guys, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. On the gun case, you're facing an additional year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you guys.
Your Honor. On June 15th, 2024, officers operating in unmarked cars were conducting surveillance on a street takeover on Holmes Road. Officers observed a yellow Mustang and a black VW Golf line up and conduct a roll race where they line up and attempt to outpace each other. Unmarked officers maintained visual contact with the vehicles until marked units could complete the traffic stop. Defendant Mueller was ID'd by his Texas driver's license as the driver of the Mustang. Defendant Earl was identified as the driver of the Golf. Defendant Earl had a Smith & Wesson 9mm Hellcat in the glove box.
How fast were they going, does it say?
The kicker, if you get caught again, the state can literally take your car and crush it into scrap metal. Imagine explaining to your insurance company that your Mustang is now a manhole cover. Brutal.
The DIMS, it didn't say, it just said they started from a rolling start.
It doesn't say, Your Honor, how fast they are in the DIMS. I'll pull up the offense report to see if it's in there.
Guys, I want you to understand, the Texas legislature has made it extremely easy for district attorneys across the state of Texas to seize and take your cars from you permanently when you engage in this type of behavior on multiple instances. You now are warned. This is the first time you've had it. If you pick up a second case like this, I'm telling you, because I've seen it happen where I get defendants in here where the state has taken their car, seized it, and they turn it into a manhole cover. If you don't want that to happen, no racing, street takeovers, reckless driving, donuts. I am now making that a condition of your bond. And if I find that you do that, I'm going to put you in jail. Each of you understand.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a Texas driver license, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have valid liability insurance in your name?
Yes, Your Honor.
You sure?
Yes.
I want counsel if you can please verify. Okay, do you have a Texas driver license?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to have both of you sign conditions with me today promising me that you will not conduct any racing, street takeovers, reckless driving, donuts, any boneheaded moves. If I find that you do that, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in jail. The next thing I'll do is I will take your privilege to drive permanently away from you.
Buckle up, because this next defendant? He's practically a VIP in this courtroom, back again with a fresh set of charges. And wait until you hear why.
Yes,
You understand? Okay. You have a lawyer. He will take care of the case against you. I will waive your appearance so you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but stay in touch with him. If he tells me he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. If I have to put you in jail for one reason or the other, you will not get another PR bond from me.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, yeah, so we will have you both sign a reset. After that, I'll have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and then you'll be free to go.
Okay, Judge. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
And if you can file that on me, please.
This is my wrongly convicted fella from burglary of a coin-operated machine.
Oh, Mr. Vasquez, I remember this gentleman, the guy that keeps he picked up an aggravated robbery, didn't he?
Yes, Your Honor, which we are not pleading true to. We are,
Allegedly tried to run someone over at a 7-Eleven because of lottery tickets or something or
I
other.
think it started with him trying to get away, and then that person might have then gotten in the way, and then I think the allegations of my client then carried that a little forward more. But yes,
Mr. Vasquez, how's jail?
No good.
he ain't getting out.
You know, have I gave you my spiel about prison? You know, I get special stuff that I
This
get.
part is chilling. The judge isn't exaggerating. Texas prisons have been under fire for violence, neglect, and horrifying conditions. Hearing it straight from the bench makes it hit even harder. Would you survive in a place like that?
To read just because I'm a judge, right? I get to see stuff, I get to go places, and I get to look at special things just because I'm a judge. And I'm telling you that I've read stuff of what happens in Texas prisons, and it's so damn scary. It had me in damn near tears because of what happens in prisons. It's so bad in some places that officers won't even go there. And the people who go into there and treat other humans like pieces of garbage, pieces of trash, like a freaking rag doll. I'm telling you, it literally had me in tears because it was so bad. That's what happens in Texas prisons. It's so bad for you, young, short. Imagine your worst nightmare. It's worse than that. That's what happens in Texas prisons. You know, we as a society don't ask for much, but when it continues to happen over and over and over, and now with what you got, and you were out on bond for a serious case as it was, and now you picked up a freaking ag rob. Begging for it. Begging for your worst freaking nightmare. With us, you've got the burglary of a coin-operated machine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the 25. Right. Obviously, we're not going to go on the bird on the ag rob. So, but he does have technicals, so that way we'll just do that. And
Yes, Judge, I think it's 2, 4, and 8, so it's not reporting for one.
pick one.
Oh, no, it's already alleged 2, 4, and 8 inside of the paperwork.
So you want to go on all three?
On those 3, yes, Your Honor. So 1 is the new crime,
Right.
which we're not
Take
taking.
that off, right. Okay, so as part of, you were placed on probation for this burglary of a coin-operated machine. You're facing a year in jail. As part of this agreement, you're telling us that it's true that you violated this probation. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will find that it's true that on number 2, you failed to report to community supervision on May 2024, failed to present verification of employment. You've also failed to participate in a mental health evaluation. I will sentence you to the 30 days. I will give you credit for the 25.
The infamous medical card defense. But here's the twist: if the doctor isn't legit, or if this is just a cash-in card situation, the judge isn't buying it. What do you think? Should medical marijuana be allowed in cases like this?
5 days that you've done, this will now end up as a conviction on your record, Mr. Vasquez. And, you know, I don't know if I'll see you anytime for a long time in the future. I hope I don't, but at some point, we got to get a hold of you and let you know that what's happening out there is just unacceptable. It's unfortunate that it probably has to go to that route, but best of luck to you, man. Do you not, does she reek of weed now?
I don't smell anything, Judge.
Go ahead, smell it, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you under the care of a psychiatrist now?
It's my doctor, where my doctor is.
What kind of doctor is that issued
You
that?
could, it's the number is on the card.
What kind of doctor is it? Is
It's
it
a Texas marijuana doctor.
is it for mental?
Texas marijuana.
I have the card. Like, I have the card. It's on the card. What is?
Is
like,
it for your mental condition?
Yes, my
Okay.
Son,
PTSD.
I get that. Is it an MD doctor? Is it like a podiatrist? What kind of doctor is it? Is it a psychiatrist? I need to know if you're actually under a psychiatric care where you see someone on a regular basis, or is this something that
Yes,
you can
now-
just go to and see him one time, pay $20, you get a card, and then you're on your
No.
way for the next 5 years?
Sure.
You know? My concern is that you're now charged with the DWI. And so the last thing I want is you to continue to use, and then you get in a car and you do further damage. I know you're going to say no because everybody comes here and says,
I don't even drive. I'm scared to drive. You said don't drive. I'm not driving. I don't even drive no more. I catch lifts. I don't even drive at all. At all.
and I wish that I could believe that.
Yeah.
But everybody here tells me the same
Yeah.
thing. Like I told you, everybody tells me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods. And then when they get out there, they're completely different people. I don't know you. I've never met you before.
Yes, sir.
So I can't possibly just believe you because I just don't know you, right? All I know is that I've asked you, or I've ordered you not to use, and you have used anyways. So what I'd like to know is are there other methods to address the PTSD?
I could ask. I could ask. I could.
Is this a long-term approach? Is this a short-term approach? Are you in the long run doing more damage than good by just continuing to smoke marijuana? Because what are the long-term effects of continuous use of marijuana on a repeated basis? I think if I remember reading correctly, but I don't think it's a positive. It's not a positive benefit if you continue to use on a regular basis for a long period of time. You may be doing more damage than good to your brain. I don't know. The only thing I have an issue with, I want to keep the public safe. That's all I want.
So,
Have you already signed an affidavit of non-driving in this court?
She has. Yeah. You know, John, I've never been faced with this issue before. What I'd like to know is,
I can try to reach out to the doctor, get a progress, get some more intel for you.
I mean, if this is something that she sees the doctor on a regular basis, the doctor knows that she consumes and how much she consumes, and the doctor says that it's okay to use that much consumption, perhaps I'm okay with it. You know,
Let me have some time. I'll chase.
yeah, and I'm down. Look, I'm not going to put you in jail now. I want to know, number one, is this a legitimate doctor, or did he go to like Punka City Medical School, right? Is he even a real doctor? That's what I'd like to know. And if I know that it's under a really controlled situation, then perhaps I'm okay with it. Okay?
I'll find
So
all that out.
get
for
with
you.
John. He'll help you direct on how we can get to the bottom of this. Okay? You've tested negative now, which is kind of a surprise for me, but that's good. Just be safe. Don't put the public in danger. That's all I'm asking you to do. All right.
Judge, previously there was already a reset. Can we just keep it on that same reset date?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Parents?
Okay, you made a surety bond. So next time you fail me, I will quadruple the bond. At some point, someone is going to stop paying the bond for you. Do you understand? You've made a very high bond now. I'm telling you, you messed us. It's going to quadruple, whatever. So, Mr. Slider, let's see, how old is this case anyways?
From April. 2 months.
Okay.
Felony you have?
Is, for me, Mr. Gomez is entirely way too much drama, and I'm ready to set this thing for trial. Tell me, is discovery complete? And I'm going to tell you now, every single time you pick up a case from now on, we will go to trial. It's way too much drama and you're not getting it. After case, after case, after case, after case, that's it. At some point, you're going to get it.
I'm not sure what's going on with this felony. It looks like it's kind of brand new, to be honest. Obviously, it's unrelated.
Wait. He picked up a,
Yes, Judge. There's a felony from June.
And here we go again. Now we're talking about felony charges with serious violence allegations. At this point, even the judge seems exhausted with this defendant's drama. Can you see where this is headed?
Meeting June 1st.
picked up a felony impeding breath.
And this was, I mean, he was taken in after the fact, so that's why I thought maybe it was presented to the court already.
What happened in that case? If you don't.
In the impeding case, what's alleged, Judge, is that officers were dispatched to in Harris County, Texas, to an AFM, made contact with a complainant, say a defendant boyfriend of 5 years, took her phone to go see a female. Complainant stated she then took the defendant's laptop. Defendant became upset and confronted the complainant. Complainant stated the defendant struck her 10 times in the face, causing pain. Complainant stated the defendant then placed both hands around complainant's neck, impeding her normal breathing for about a minute. Defendant ID'd the defendant. by previous booking photos.
Tough court too.
Yeah,
Gee, in a tough court.
yeah.
You don't mess around in the 338th. Get ready for a wild ride, Mr. Gomez. Get ready. I know her a long time. I went to law school with that judge.
No, you're in 338. I think he's in 180. I think he's in.
No, he's in the 338th with Ramona Frank.
182.
Yeah,
I think.
No.
What do you show,
Oh.
Judge?
I'm sure 182nd.
That
Judge.
case? Oh,
that was
Yeah,
my previous.
it's in the 182nd. Who is the 182nd?
Danny, Lakaya. Got lucky.
Lucky on that one.
Yeah, yeah. It's a big difference.
But with regard to us, tell me, is discovery complete?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I'm not, it's just way too much drama. I'm not taking anything. We're going to trial on your case. That's it, because you're just not getting it. I mean, criminal trespass, burglary of a motor vehicle, possession of a controlled substance, unlawful carrying, theft of a firearm, terroristic threat, and now unlawful carrying of a weapon, and you picked up another felony impeding breath? That's it.
I'm wondering, Judge, I don't know the jail credit that he has. I know he's been in and out of custody, but I'm wondering if court would be better served if we pled him and let the 182nd.
No, because the thing is we've done that with the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases. Is it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases.
And I'm not saying.
Done that 5 different times, and what happens? A week, 2 weeks after he gets out of here, he picks up a new case.
And I'm not saying pleading for time served. I'm just saying that maybe we're gonna just eradicate the case instead of judicial economy of picking a jury. If we came up with a number.
How old are you, sir?
And I'm 20.
Do we have YMAC available to us? I think that's the appropriate place. YMAC is what it is.
Will YMAC take him with that?
Well, not immediately, there's maybe like a 2-week waiting period, but
Okay, I think that's probably, at least with me,
No, I
and just advise him,
YMAC
and
is some type of probationary period.
it's kind of like a boot camp type.
No, I mean, I know what YMAC is, but we would do YMAC as a condition of the probationary.
Correct. Right. Otherwise, I'm setting it for trial.
Okay. I'll talk over with the state.
Okay. Is discovery complete?
Yes, Judge.
So I'll give you a setting for you guys to think about it. At the next setting, it's plea or trial, and we'll do that.
That sounds good, Judge.
Okay. Take a seat for me. And we're still drug testing, and everything stays the same. You must still report here every Monday and Thursday to take a drug test. You have a curfew. Everything stays the same. And I'm going to tell you now.
You had changed my drug testing, but so that's when you had changed it.
Okay. No, right. It's never been that. Perhaps upstairs in your felony court, but not here. It's not. So let's send him now for drug test. He's here. Take a seat for me.